Master AWS VPC in just 5 days. Fire. Left-pointing magnifying glass. Ever wondered how companies build secure, scalable cloud networks? It all starts with AWS VPC. Let's level up your cloud networking skills without spending hours in documentation. Messy network setups lead to security risks. Poor subnet planning causes performance bottlenecks. No VPC flow logs mean no visibility into your traffic. Learn to avoid these pitfalls. Day 1, AWS VPC Fundamentals, what it is and why it matters. Day 2, VPC core components, subnets, NAT, route tables, and more. Day 3, VPC peering and connectivity, Multi-VPC, transit gateway, direct connect. Day 4, security best practices, flow logs, NACLs, WAF, and IAM. Day 5, real-world use cases, how top companies use AWS VPC. This series is designed to give you practical, actionable knowledge. This series is perfect for cloud architects building scalable networks. DevOps engineers optimizing AWS infrastructure will also benefit. Security enthusiasts securing cloud environments and AWS beginners starting their journey are welcome. Follow me for daily updates and valuable insights. Tag a friend who needs this knowledge. Drop a fire in the comments if you are excited to learn. Let's build stronger, faster, and more secure cloud networks together.